Hi class, let's take a look at problem 5a. Now, problem 5a represents a vertical line in terms of the equation of it. So here we're going to actually graph x is equal to -4, and this is going to be with a dotted line. Okay, so let me insert the line. So -4, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So give me just a second. It's not activating for some reason. Okay, here we go. So our line is going to be dotted. Remember that the statement is less than, so let me fix the dashes, and let me just make it a little bit thicker. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. It was not, I wasn't able to put a straight line there. Okay, and then next, I'm just going to use the shortcut because this one says to technically apply any method. And here's what we could do on the shortcut. So let me actually draw with a different color. And notice that this one says x is less than -4. Less than from -4 means every value to the left. So if you're going to do the shortcut, typically they want us to put little arrows so we indicate which where you would put a test point, and then that would be a true statement. And then in this case, we would be shading every value to the left. Once again, less than means to the left. For this vertical line, let me show you what this one looks with technology. So that's what it actually looks like. That's your -4. Your vertical line is dotted, and technically every value to the left. Let's move on to B. And then on problem B, we're actually going to graph the line y is equal to 2. And in this case, it's going to be a solid line. So let me insert this one. Okay, I was able to put it straight. And in this case, because the line says y is greater, we're going to be shading above it. So greater means we would shade above the line. And once again, your solution is technically your graph. So let me box these two. Let me show you with technology what the second one looks like. And here's the line. Notice that here's your y is equal to 2. Our solution is every coordinate point above it. So that's actually it for these. I wanted to do 2 with the shortcuts. I am missing the little arrows, so give me just a second. And as I stated before, if we're not gonna do the actual test points, we typically do put in the arrows, and I'm referring to these two arrows to indicate where you would have a true test point. For 5A, we're shading everything to the left or less than. B, horizontal line and every value above it. That's actually it for these two problems.